So we're back again with another video. Okay, so coming over today, right? Today I did something I wasn't meant to do, okay? So today I wasn't meant to trade, right? I expected us to take out these lows down here, okay? And what I was thinking was that, you know what? I'm also looking for shorts. So when price takes out this low, because we had an SSMT too, from here to here, right? We had an SSMT, so I expected price to go down, right? So as price went down, I called the price yesterday. I'm not, what do you call it? I'm not shocked. I'm just, it's just common, and it's just crystal clear. So I expected price to go down to take out what this high, right? Because we had this was just consolidation and then down AMD, classic AMD, right? So just classic AMD for higher prices, right? But then what I did was that as soon as price took out these lows, right, I was still stuck to my bias, right? I was still clinging onto my bias that I wanted us to go lower. Now, this is where listening to other people's opinions come from because I didn't put it on my daily game plan, but I had in mind that when price takes out these lows and then we make an SMT, I'm gonna look for a long right into the range, right? I didn't get that, but rather what I did was that I actually shorted, right? I shorted on the 5 minutes, right? I shorted on the 5 minutes, shorted right here and then I got stopped out right here. I shorted, and when I looked at what I was doing, I was frankly disappointed. Okay? I was disappointed because one, that trade wasn't meant to be. Okay? That trade was a horrible trade. If I'm going to be very honest with you, it was a horrible trade, and I still FOMOed. I stuck to my analysis, which isn't meant to be. Okay? Of course, the idea was a fair idea because we had an intermarket SSMT with this high and then NQ. I wanted us for YM to go lower and take out this lows. It wasn't a bad plan. That wasn't a bad plan. But what did I say about game plan and about we shouldn't be shorting or longing about game plans? If the liquidity that I expected to be taken gets taken, no amount of how good the chart is will make me want to get in the trade. Because what I've realized is that this is one of the things that also hinders my confidence, right? When my target is being taken, I miss the trade. I talked about this yesterday and I'm talking about it today because today today I was in a drawdown, right? I was in a $300 drawdown and I was like so pissed. But when I took this trade yesterday, I wasn't even pissed. I was just watching and I was smiling. But when I was trading here, I was like, yo, like, bro, my heart was pounding. That shouldn't be because I'm not meant to be in this trade. I was thinking in my mind, well, I'm thinking that maybe price could come back here and then but that's not a bad idea, but this isn't what I'm meant to be doing. How am I sure price to do that? And guess what? I ended the trade in a $100 win. But that win, I do not deserve it. I do not deserve it. I don't. The thing about all of these huge best traders is that they are able to, all of these guys are able to constantly hold themselves. It's discipline. I can't lie to you. It is discipline. These guys are the pinnacles of the pinnacles. These guys are so disciplined, bro. They are so disciplined that they are light years ahead of me. But guess what? I'm catching up. The thing about CPI is that I've noticed that if I don't enter this trade and I don't write it down, I should not be in this trade. I should not even want to trade CPI. I could trade the range inside CPI this long because every time that we have a huge range, we always retrace, right? But then we had power and all of that stuff. We could retrace and go for like 75% of this range. That is fair because we have an intermarket SSMT. That is fair. But the one thing I don't like is that, okay, you want CPI to go lower, go into the lower time frame, enter on an order block. Right here, you could see that price didn't even take out this high. So in fact, you don't have a stop loss. Like this CPI is like, okay, we know that price is gonna go to our target, but the stop loss will take us out and will be in a loss. Okay, don't have a stop loss. It is fine. Get your get where you want to do. But obviously, if I don't know where CPI is going, I'm not gonna force it. But I knew where CPI was going. There was an SMT, and I knew that price would go lower. Price went lower, bang. That is it. If I am so badly want to be like, it's crazy because the thing is that I want to trade every single day. I want to trade every single day. Like I am wrestling with myself on missing trades. And the thing is that if I miss trades, that is fine. Oh my gosh, it is fine. It's one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It is one day, bro. I had 4 wins in a row when I had my funded. 4 wins in a row. It's one day. Okay? It's really one day. I shouldn't stick to this the day, right? Because I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I really know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. There's no way I don't know what I'm doing. Well, if I don't know what I'm doing, why am I still why did I win yesterday? That wasn't a gamble. I knew what I was doing. I knew where I wanted to see price going. I knew exactly the characteristics of what I wanted to price to do. That wasn't a gamble. Okay? That was really not a gamble. That was no gamble in any shape or form. Okay? So really it's really just my men because this entire year, like I said, everything this year is just strictly psychology. Every single thing this year is psychology, and I'll get my payouts before June. I know I'll get payouts before June because I'm going ham this year. It's February 12th, and I'm making sure I am getting funded accounts. Funded accounts. I don't care getting funded accounts, doing whatever it takes to get rid of that habit, get rid of all of this psychology, get rid of all of this fear. I'm going ham. I'm going ham. I wish I did it last year because it would have been better if I started in August, but I didn't. But it's better that I started now. It's better I started now. It's really better because the thing is that I was fearing blowing up accounts, and that's the process I had to go through, blowing up accounts so that when I have those accounts, I'm not afraid to blow them. I'll trade what I meant to trade. This day was what I was meant to trade. This day also was what I was meant to trade. How will I trade this day? When we go lower, you could enter right here. When you trade right here, you enter right here. There was a setup right here. You trade this. That's two trades. Two trades for the day during CPI. You enter right here because you know the price will take out this loss. This is a B plus setup because you're aiming for this range, internal range liquidity, right? While aiming for external range liquidity, here you're aiming for what? Internal range liquidity, which is like 75% or 50% of this range. Internal range liquidity. So the thing is that I know what I'm doing, and that's what I would like if your target is hit, don't trade. It's it's a probability game. Like I don't know the market. I'm just a speculator. I just speculate. I am not meant I don't know the market. The market doesn't know me. The market owes me nothing. I am just a speculator apart from billions of traders out there. So, with that being said, let's go to our analysis. Oh, that's beautiful. That is wonderful. That is really, really wonderful. I was actually expecting us to go higher on this PM session, and we actually did. That's beautiful. Sorry, in Asia session. That is wonderful. This is the dollar, but I just inversed it. So right here we have high highs, right, being made. So now that we actually made it because of we have this SMT, so obviously this highs will get cleared. So now that we have cleared highs, I'm expecting us to go lower, right? I'm expecting us to go lower for tomorrow, right? We have a pretty much bullish overall. I mean weaker on YM, slightly weaker on ES, and stronger on NQ. So this is what I'm expecting. This high right here, I'm expecting us to go lower, right? To target away. External range liquidity, which is what this lows down here. Still targeting this lows. So now we have Thursday high of the week. NFP made actually no, Monday made low of the week. I'm expecting Thursday high of the week. So this low, this sell side liquidity. And what do we have tomorrow? So tomorrow we have, yeah, you guys don't mind me. I was looking for drawings. Anyways, we have this week we have core PPI, we have unemployment claims. So I'm expecting us to really go lower tomorrow. Okay. So invalidation level is, I don't really have an invalidation level. Okay. I'm still working on that, on having invalidation levels, but invalidation level is if YM takes out the size, if ES takes out all of the size, and we just continue going higher. Let me also check our this right here. Let me go into the hourly. Let me do this. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, US 30 actually made low of the week. Made low of the week. See Monday here. We made low of the week on US 30, right? Yeah, we made low of the week on US 30. But was still very what do you call it? Still very weaker. We take this out? No, we didn't on YM. But on US 30 we took out those on Monday's lows, right? So that isn't an SSMT, right? As soon as we take out these highs, I'm still expecting shorts. Now, um, I'm not really confident about shorts. Why? Because look at how we're trending. Come on, look how we're trending, right? But I'm still expecting shorts because one, we took out those highs. Two, if we make these shorts, we're gonna be targeting these lows, and probably I'm expecting like previous week's lows to be taken too, so that we'll be able to go higher, right? Well, I'm just short-term shorts, right? So really, my invalidation level is if I wake up and I see that price takes out all of these highs. You see these equal highs right here. If we take out these highs, we also take out Tuesday. We also take out Tuesday highs, and then we just continue higher, right? But I am expecting us to go low to these lows, right, tomorrow. So that is just what I want to see. And if we look over here, you see an end dog. So right here, you could see that we consolidated in Asia. I mean, we expanded in Asia. Actually, we consolidated in Asia. But doing Asia for Euro, we just expanded, right? So Asia sessions truly starts here, 6, and we just consolidated. So that is fine, right? Um, really that is fine, right? I'm still expecting shorts supposed to go lower, right? So that is just it. I'm still expecting shorts this week. I mean tomorrow. So let me go to my outcome. This was a win. And then new page, I'll put Thursday. News, we have core PPI. I have it right here. No, I don't. Core PPI. Okay. Let me change the color to blue. Core PPI. Weekly tactic. I'm very defensive because I don't know what's happening tomorrow. So this will be, I'm shifting towards low probability, right? Why low probability? Because I'm shifting towards high prob high probability. I don't like how I'm so unaware. If it takes me more than 5 minutes to get a clear picture, then that means I shouldn't even be trading. So risk level, medium, weekly buyers, shorts. I'm shorting today. Expecting shorts today because we are making a weekly SSMT with the daily highs. expecting us to go into Wednesday lows. Why? Because when we take it on the wire, we would still be very bullish on the ES and NQ for higher prices may be on Friday. So yeah, keep in mind that the CFD pairs also did a thing on their own, whereas we took out the lows of Monday on US 100 CFD charts, and YM didn't take out Monday's lows. Is that high probability? No. Disregarded. We're actually going to the daily. Do we have any close below? Yes, we do. Okay, let's go to US 30. Let's go into the daily. Yes, we do. Okay. Okay, that's wonderful. Right. Yeah, just still expecting shorts. Really, still expecting shorts. Okay, that's it. Yes, we still expecting shorts. Really, Thursday is the high of the week, and we have like equal highs right here. Really, we have like a PSP right here too. Actually, the precision candle, so this auto block right here, but we're still going high. So I don't like how we close above. I like a displacement lower for this to become an auto block. So turn to the hourly. So just still aiming for shorts. Like I said, if we because we could even like take out these highs right here. This is previous week's high. So if we take out previous week's high, I will still be expecting shorts, right? Because one, my target isn't taking, and two, because we're still making an SSMT, right? But then if we take out these highs, we'll still be in this fair value gap right here, because we're still inside this fair value gap, right? We just holding. So I'm more bullish right here. So if we take out these highs, I wouldn't be mad at all. I wouldn't be mad. I'll just be expecting lower prices. So that is really what I want us to do. I'm actually put it. If we take out previous week's highs before I wake up, that would be totally fine. I would still expect shorts. So yet again, is it probable that we could go for these highs? Yes, there is no denying that because this is like equal highs, right? Equal highs just punctured. We could go higher, tag these highs, and then go lower. It's still too clean, right? We could puncture this and then go lower, or we just go lower and then we go higher. So that is all I have for today. Really, um, that's really all I have. Wednesday too. When we take out these highs, everything will just go crashing down. Right? This is previous week's high too. So that's all I have. And yeah.